Welcome back to Republic Ridge. It's been a while since I've done a video. I've had all kinds of things going on, and I apologize for no updates. Now that we have both foundations in, the septic got put in yesterday while I was doing a job for somebody. And they've got the whole septic field all tore up. On this one, we have, here our tanks are over here. Our tanks are right here, our clean out. And we have a 750 gallon tank for a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. And we'll go back over here and we'll look at, we have 8-inch gravelous pipe. I believe we have 5 channels of gravelous pipe. This isn't, it's a conventional system. It is not aerobic. Aerobics are common in Texas, but we have pure sand all the way down. And it's, I guess, wrapped with plastic on the top so the water goes down. And we have 5 fields. Okay, more updates. So we got the guest house foundation and the septic field put in. It's got to stay open for 2 weeks until the county inspector signs it off, and then they'll cover it up. More updates to come. Republic Ridge. And some updates to Republic Ridge. We have we've moved the camper, or my office, or both, from over here by the, we've moved it from over by the temporary power. I've got enough cord to plug it in over there. The reason we moved it is we're going to have a very large rig to drill a well. This is where the well is going to be. And I'll tell you what, that's the state of Texas and Montgomery County, Texas is the hardest women in the world to deal with. So, okay, we got the septic. The septic is in. I was babysitting 2 83-year-old people and the ex-wife's parents while she had an operation. And now while I was gone, they shot all the grades on the leach field, covered it up, and now we have the septic is in. I need to put some more dirt over here because I guess with the rain it sank around here. So I've got some extra dirt. I got an extra dirt pile over there, so I'll have to go around and put it over here and level this out because this can't be driven on. Everything's looking good. More updates to come. The block, they had 3 trucks deliver it, but it was soaking wet, and I didn't want a chance that that they sank in the grass. We do need to build a short driveway here, and I'll use crushed concrete for that. So, okay, more updates to come. As soon as the block gets here and the block layers start laying block, we'll do another update. Very good. And here's a little bit of the septic field is now operational. We have I'm standing on the guest house foundation with rebar sticking up every 2 foot. And Thursday we've got 56 pallets of concrete block coming, the split face colored architectural block. The septic tank. We've got it going, operational. I got my little riser there, so in the future, whenever it comes time to get it pumped out, we'll be able to pump it out. And now, today, we have the well drillers. And they're fixing to drill a 310-foot deep well. And so now we'll have well, electric, and septic. So we have septic, the septic field, and then that stake over there is the corner, so the well will be 65 foot from the edge of the septic field. It'll be 15 foot from the house, and then after these guys leave, we have 400 ton of gravel, and I'm proud to announce that the surveyors will be here. We have 25 lots here at Republic Ridge that we own. I'm cutting the roads in. I have 400 ton of number one inch limestone with no fines. Now that you can't use for roads by itself unless you have a binder. So we plan on putting asphalt roads in, and I will have lots for sale. So that's in the future when I get the roads in and there's electric available to the lots. And I even have a single 1 acre track, or you can buy 2 lots and it'll be an acre like what we have here at Republic Ridge. The elevation we have is, and you can look down here you can look in the hole here and you can dig down, and we'll have at least 8 foot of sand. That gives you, in this county, Montgomery County, Texas, that's all sand, no clay. You can get a permit for conventional septic. So in the area, in the public utility districts, oh my goodness, taxes and taxes and taxes. The well is going to cost me $10,000. The septic was $6,500. So for $16,500, I will never in life ever have a public utility tax or bill. So, and then if you figure out $150, $180 a month, in a few years it'll just pay for itself. So in Texas, stay away from public utility districts. Put your own well, put your own septic in, and then maybe every 5 years you have to have it pumped out. Yeah, it's 16. I had 16 tractor trailer loads of 25 tons each of gravel to build these roads with. So we got some big plans for this area. We have paved roads all through here, and I'll post a map. Okay, Republic Ridge, signing out.